In this episode of Norse Mythology for Chumps, let us talk about Surtr, the first giant. Surtr was the leader of the fire giants. Instead of Jotunheim, they lived in the primordial fires of Muspelheim. The word Surtr can be interpreted as black, possibly as a reference to burning or charring. During Ragnarok, Surtr would lead the fire giants to Midgard to wage war against the gods. The bifrost bridge would shatter beneath them as they march on it. But Surtr would hold his position on the rainbow. Surtr and the Vanir god Freyr would have a long and grueling fight, before they both eventually succumbed to their injuries. Although Surtr would live long enough to see the world of men entirely consumed by flames. Like, share and subscribe for more Norse mythology. Peace out.